This tune is called, what's it called? Pistol. And a lot of times it's morphed into kind of a three-tune groove and centered around the key of D. And so I'll show you this section, and then the other section would be I'll show you that too, but it's probably going to be two files. So here we go. This is Pistol. Here's the riff. Okay, so you'd start off the tune 8 times with the riff, then go from F to G. Then the riff is 4 times, F and G. And the riff is 4 times again, and then you have the kind of the B section, which is, you'll see it. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Two, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. That's how that goes.